Yeah, what is up? You're rocking with the one and only D man. Let me tell you something. Your mindset decides how fast you recover. When you are going through things in life that might be hard on you, people around you, whatever, how you think, how you reason, it is what is going to get you through those situations. If you have a strong mindset when you're going through stuff that you do not like, it will help you in your everyday life. But if you have a weak mindset, your mind is not strong, you're going through stuff that's hard and you're beating yourself up upon that, how do you help yourself recover through difficult situations? It becomes harder for you. One thing I've learned through life is that when I go through stuff that I do not like, it's still good to put my mind in a good place. Because if I have the right mindset, when I'm going through certain things, I'll learn how to handle them accordingly. Like, for instance, if something happens in my life that I cannot change immediately or I have no control over, as opposed to me being stuck on that and allowing that to bring me down, frustrate me, hurt me, I can use that to now say, you know what, I can't control this, but I can focus on something else. And I can move. When I'm moving and I'm focusing in another direction, I'm giving my chance and myself the opportunity, I'm giving myself a chance and the opportunity to find a way to continue moving through those difficult situations. I'm finding a way to heal as I'm going through something I do not like by focusing my mind on something different or better for me. That's how you get it, man. If you have a good mindset, it will take you far every day. If you have a good mindset, you will overcome the trials and the tribulations that you face on a day-to-day basis because your mind is right. When your mind is not right, it makes everything harder on you. It makes it difficult for you to process what you're going through and even heal faster because you're not doing the right things. If you have the right mindset, when you go through something you do not like, you will find a way to overcome it by doing other things that can add and help you as a person. So remember, man, how you think will take you far. If you think like a king, you'll be a king. If you think like a peasant, you will be a peasant. Always remember, your mind is a weapon, so use it in a way that benefits you and others. Let's get it. Yeah, what up? You were rocking with the one and only D man. I've been doing this for a minute and now it's time to go harder and switch up the format. So I'm going to be coming faster, harder, sharper, and shorter. But the goal is to get it, man. I've been doing this for almost over 15 years, man. That's a long time. So it's time to really put my head into this and go beyond what I feel I can do. And I cannot do it without you. But it starts with me first. So I got to push myself and work hard every day. I drop so much content. If you do not know who I am Dio D-Man, DAYO DMAN. Check me out, motivational speaker. I love to spread positivity and do interviews and travel around and just put good things into the world, man. We are here to get it. We are here to win. So just stay tuned for more, man, because I got a lot more on the way. I want to see you get it, and I am here to get it. Hey, look, man, if you do not push yourself, nobody else will. So let's get it.